Hey guys, Jonathan here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to clean any AT&T device from blacklisted status. Our service supports any AT&T device such as Apple iPhones, Apple iPads, Samsung, HTC, LG, Huawei, Pantech, ZTE, Motorola, BlackBerry, Nokia, Alcatel, Sony Ericsson, etc. As long as it's from AT&T, we can remove it from the blacklist. So I'll show you an iPhone XS Max and a Samsung Galaxy S10e as an example where we will remove both phones from the blacklist. I'll show you the time and date so you can see in real time that we do actually clean the IMEI and remove it from the blacklist. So let me go ahead and grab the IMEI number for the iPhone XS Max first. Next we will go to an IMEI checking website so you can see the status of this phone. As you can see, this IMEI number is blacklisted, and the IMEI number does belong to an iPhone XS Max. Next, let me go ahead and show you the IMEI status for the Samsung phone. As you can see, this IMEI number is blacklisted as well, and the IMEI number does belong to a Samsung Galaxy S10e. Next, I will show you the time and date for today. The time is 10:06 p.m. It is April 10, 2019, and we are located in Miami, Florida. The blacklist removal will take us 1 to 15 business days to get done. I'll return once it's done and show you guys the clean status of both phones, and we'll also show you the time and date again so you can see our service is working. In the meanwhile, I'll show you how to place your order for the AT&T cleaning service. We will go to TechMajesty.com, and once we are on this website, we will go ahead and go to the blacklist removal service section. Then you will choose the AT&T cleaning service. Then in the IMEI number field, you will go ahead and write the 15-digit IMEI number of your phone. You can find the IMEI number by dialing *#06# on your phone's dialer. I'm going to use the iPhone XS Max as an example. Then in the device model section, you will write the make and model of your phone. I have the iPhone XS Max, so that's what I'll write here. Then you will go ahead and click on the Add to Cart button and go through the checkout process to complete your order. Once you complete the checkout, you'll receive an email within 1 to 15 business days informing you that your device has been unblocked. The email will look like this and say order enclosed. So guys, I'm back again. The blacklist removal has been completed, so let's go and see the results. First, let me go ahead and grab the IMEI of the iPhone. Next, we will go to the IMEI checking website. As you can see, this is the same iPhone that we had in the beginning of the video, and this iPhone is now off the blacklist. So let me go ahead and now check the IMEI of the Samsung phone. As you can see, this is the same Samsung phone that we had in the beginning of the video, and this phone is off the blacklist as well. Let me go show you the time and date for today. The time is 8:02 a.m. It is April 22nd, and we are located in Miami, Florida. So guys, it's as easy as that to remove your AT&T phone from the blacklist and to start using your phone again. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.